In previous video, we saw how to do subtraction when denominators were same. Now let's look at an example when denominators are different. While we did addition, we made the denominators same. Similarly, while doing subtraction, we'll make the denominators same. We can use cross multiplication the same way that we did before. So it will become multiplying by 2. Here also multiplying by 2. 1 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 3. It becomes 4 upon 6 minus 3 upon 6, which is 4 minus 3, as the denominators are same, becomes 1 upon 6.